Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creative Coders. In this tutorial, we are discussing about a program that is multiplication of the number using Python programming. Now let's start with code. Before that, if you are new on the channel, then first subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. This is the editor window of Python shell. So we first enter any number to view their multiplication table. So we ask user to enter number. So we enter int input, enter the number. Next line we call for loop. For I in range. We use range function. In the range function, first number is included and last number is excluded from the range. That means 1 is included in the range and 11 is excluded from the range. So we count number from 1 to 10. Colon. This space is the indentation space. It is give for loop. So we enter print num. We enter x variable I. Again we enter equals to comma num multiply by I. Bracket complete. This is the simple code for the multiplication of table. And we save the code and run the code. So they ask enter the number in output window. So we enter 5. This is the multiplication table of 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and that's all. In this code, we use for loop and range function. This is the most two important thing in these codes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video. Press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos.